Welcome back to COVID cooking, home cooking during the lockdown. Today I'm going to cook mie goreng, Indonesian mie goreng, or fried noodles. To make fried noodles, you need the ingredients you need is noodles. Here I'm using egg noodles, and then I got a chicken, and then I got red chili, the large one, chopped up shallot and garlic. Here we got oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper and cooking oil. For the vegetable, I have a Chinese green here, cabbage, carrots, leeks, that's a baby leeks, and bean sprout. You can use any vegetable according to your taste. You don't have to be exactly the same. So whatever available, just put that into a mie goreng or fried noodles. That will be fine. Okay, to make mie goreng or fried noodles, first things you do is cook the noodle first. Bring water to boil and just dip in the noodles in. Just wait a few seconds until the noodle cook. Okay, you need to break up the noodles like so. So make sure it's not overdone, otherwise the noodles will be getting fat, absorbing all the water. So very important is boiling water. It's very hot water. Okay, so that's only need about maximum of 1 minute in the hot water. Okay, here we are. Just drain the noodle, just put it aside on the plate. So if you're making cooking noodles, allow about 75 to 80 gram per person. That's about enough. Okay, next job is bring the wok into heat. So make sure it's really hot. So add about 3 dessert spoon of cooking oil and wait until it's really hot. Swirl it around. Okay. Hi, in order for me to keep going making COVID cooking video series, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification button, so if there is a new video you will get notified. Okay, when the pan or the wok already hot, just drop your chicken bits in there. So this is chicken thigh. You can use breast, you can use pork, you can use seafood, or you even make vegetarian noodles or vegan noodles. That's up to you. This one is a chicken noodle. Just give it a toss very quickly. Okay, give it a good stir, just to make sure the chicken cook evenly, like so, and then toss it a bit. Just about 100 to 150 gram chicken meat, yeah, okay, and then look at that, and then the chicken already half cooked. That's the chicken half cooked, and then you add the shallot and garlic and large red chili, or if you haven't got large red chili, you can use red pepper. So, and I give a good toss here, so the flavor of the shallot and garlic infused into the chicken. But you don't want to cook that until really done. just need to soften up the garlic and the shallot. That smells absolutely fantastic already. The aroma of the garlic and shallot just coming through. There we go. And then put this aside, like so. It won't cook any longer, and tilt your wok a little bit. Okay, when you already tilted the pan, or all the oil will be going that side, and then now you need to add carrots. So the hardest vegetable goes first. That's about enough. Just give a good stir in there, like so. And then the rest of the vegetables, cabbage, baby leeks, Chinese green, and bean sprout. So now you need to toss them all together so they all mix very, very nicely, and the vegetable cooking very nicely as well. It's already softened up, and this is like a fast food, the Indonesian fast food. So you don't need a lot of time to cook this. There we go. And then grab all the stuff inside to one side, like so again, and tilt the wok or the pan. And then you need to add the noodles now. There we go. And mix with the vegetables. There we go. Look at the color. Just like a rainbow. So give it a good toss. Okay. Okay. In there goes about 1 dessert spoon of sweet soy sauce, about half dessert spoon of oyster sauce, one dessert spoon of light soy sauce, or you can use dark soy sauce, it doesn't matter, and then about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So you need to cook this one first. So turn the fire on, cook this one until you get a nutty smell, like a toasty smell out of it. Okay? Without mixing with the noodles. So now that's already done. Just toss them together. Give a good toss and mix. Make sure every noodles, every bit in there coated with the sauce. There we go. Very good. And now, time to add white pepper and a pinch of salt. And then keep tossing it. Give a good mix again. It's almost ready. It's almost done. Okay. If you can see that, the color really nice. All the noodles then coated with the sauce very nicely. At the moment, this is look a little bit dry. So I know it's fried noodle, but you need to add a hot water into it, probably about 2 or 1 dessert spoon. So in there, need to add water, about 2 dessert spoons, and give a good toss. There we go. Very good. That's it. Fried noodles done. Time to plating up. Okay, here we are. Plating up the fried noodles. This is very easy to do. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. So you don't want too much oil in it or too wet, but you don't want too dry either. So here we are. Mie goreng Indonesia or Balinese mie goreng done. Easy.